Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable smart widget, smart suggestions on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Then we go down and tap on smart suggestions. On the next screen, we go down and tap on smart widget. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. It is turned on by default. Now you can get suggestions for useful information on your smart widget and allow widgets to be rotated automatically based on your activity. So this feature can be helpful if you want to turn it on. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.